Welcome. Today we're going to go through how do you insert images into the body of a website within the Viterbo CMS. We're going to start by choosing where we want the image to be. And suppose I want it in this paragraph. So I put the cursor to the right of the word with. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this media module, the same module that we would have used if we were inserting a PDF onto the page or a Word document. So I click this, and now I am in this media dialog. I am going to suppose that I already have the image uploaded, although you could upload an image if you so choose. Make sure you choose the correct folder once you upload it. So Media Browser Plus, I'm going to click on that and insert this picture of penguins. Click submit twice, and now we can see we have a huge picture of penguins on a page. As long as we're in Firefox, if I click on this picture, I will get white boxes in the corners. If I click and drag this, I can resize the image. We can also resize the image by right-clicking and going to Image Properties. This will give us the ability to resize the page. We always recommend clicking the lockbox so that you scale in proportions. So I'm going to put a 2 here and make it smaller. These same options are also available by selecting the Image Properties icon in the toolbar. Now we have a slightly smaller or dramatically smaller image on the page. But we notice it's not in the greatest position. It's right in the middle of this paragraph. If we wanted it to the left of the paragraph, we would access those options by going to those same image properties. I'm right-clicking, going to Image Properties. Now in here, I'm going to choose to align it left, to the left of this paragraph. Now the image is to the right of the paragraph, and I'm going to move this bulleted list down a bit. Now we have the image to the right of the paragraph. Sorry, the image is on the left of the paragraph. So now I'm going to do some other changes to this image. I'm going to right click again, go to Image Properties. I'm going to decide I want a border. I'm going to change the border to 1. We can see it now puts a black border around the image. But there's still some problems. The image is butted right up against the text. So that's a problem. I'm going to go into Image Properties now and add some horizontal spacing. 7 is a good number. If I do this, click OK, we can now see that the image is spaced off from the text as well. So now we've added an image. We've resized it, we've added a border, and we've aligned it to the left of the text. I'm going to choose Align Right just to give you a sense of what this will do. Now the image is to the right of the text. So those are some options for adding images to a page. You can also move the image around by dragging it and following where the cursor drops it. So now we see it's aligned to the left of wherever I dropped it. If I wanted it to the, aligned right to the item that my cursor is. So the cursor is now at the end of the word statement. Now it's to the right of that particular part. I'm going to now go into Image Properties and choose to align it to the left. And now we can see it's aligned to the left of that particular document. I'm going to go in here and do alignment to not set, and now we can see it's right where we dropped it. It's right where we put the cursor. So that's how we insert images and move them around a document.